2022. Are you a fan of gingerbread? Well, I got a treat for y'all. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a gingerbread pie. Oh yes, sugar, gingerbread pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, no baking required. And it's going to be full of gingerbread goodness. This would be a great treat to serve for the holidays and great for your Christmas dinner. And once you taste this pie, you'll be in heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist and my previous video, Cookie Butter Fudge. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your spices, and your molasses sugar, because we're about to make some gingerbread pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is measure up our sugar and spices, and my fire is off. We're going to add them to my saucepan and sifter. A half a cup of packed light brown sugar and a third of a cup of white sugar. A fourth of a cup of cornstarch. And my spices. 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a fourth of a teaspoon each of ground nutmeg, ground cloves, and salt, and an eighth of a teaspoon of ground allspice. And sift these together. Alright, now I'm going to turn my fire on to medium. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, and whisk this in. Alrighty, now we're going to add in a fourth of a cup of molasses. And whisk this in. Alrighty, and all we do is let it get hot. Alright my friends, our milk mixture is nice and hot. Over here in my bowl, I have 4 egg yolks. We're going to take a ladle of the milk and add it to the eggs. And we're going to temper them. We're just going to heat the eggs so that way we don't get scrambled eggs in our filling. Alrighty, our egg yolk's nice and tempered. So now we're going to pour it into our milk mixture. And whisk this in. And all we do is let the filling cook until it thickens. Alright my friends, our filling's nice and thick. See? That looks great. So now we're ready to pour it into our bowl. We're going to pour it into my bowl with a mesh strainer. We're going to strain it to get the lumps out. So we have a nice silky smooth filling. Alright my friends, our filling's nice and smooth. So now there's 2 more ingredients we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And give this a quick stir. Going to stir this in until the butter melts. Alrighty my friends, our filling is complete. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of gingerbread. Can smell all the spices and the molasses. So all we do now is pour it into our pie crust. We're going to pour it in the 9-inch pie crust, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a recipe to that down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated or a frozen deep dish pie crust, and I pre-baked this until it's light golden brown. Spread it evenly. So now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap And press it down so that way the pie won't have a skin on top. So all we do now is place the pie in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill. Alright my friends, there you have it, gingerbread pie. Don't that look good? See how nice and firm that is? Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving mine with some whipped cream and a little dusting of pumpkin pie spice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. So creamy, just melts in your mouth. And the crust is perfectly cooked and buttery. This reminds me of eating gingerbread cookies. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Now grab a little whipped cream. Yum-o. Gingerbread pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.